Well, good morning. Nice, bright and sunny morning. 6:22 a.m. It's only going to be a really short one. We're off to work this morning. That little Fiat 500 my missus bought with the roof comes down. The electric power steering's playing up, so that's gone back to the garage. Probably not going to have that back for a week or more. So it's going to be bike every day, come rain or shine. Got to call into another station on the way. Pick some bits and bobs up. What an absolutely beautiful morning. That's the only thing with this time of the year, is that sun this time of the morning, smack bang in your eyes. It's so low, it's bloody horrible. Oh, with a bit of luck we can ride straight in that. Oh, that breeze is absolutely lovely. Got my mesh jacket on this morning. This is a nice bend, but it does get prone to having, yeah, that diesel slapped everywhere on it. Bloody stuff. So yes, as I said, got the mesh jacket on today. Hopefully it's not going to piss down later. It's certainly a cracking day so far. Oh, here's the low cloud, look. Amazing how this sits here. Oh there, here we go. There we go, and there's the company cars. Somebody's smoking some weed in that van. Stinks. Christ, did my wife park that?